everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and add music to your Instagram posts. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. Go ahead, open your Instagram, tap on this plus icon right here, go ahead, choose a picture, tap on this next arrow icon, and now you'll again tap on this arrow icon, and then once you get to this post per page, you will get this option called add music right here. Tap on it, go ahead, search the music that you would like to according to your need. I will just go with any random one, so you can get this page. You can go ahead, choose according to your need what lyrics you would like to add. Once you're done, go ahead, tap on this check mark, and now you're good to go. So if I tap on this next option, it's finishing up, and you can see now I have this music icon. That means I have music right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.